Welcome back. We get off the blocks with the news that sprinter Ryiem Forde is the latest member of Jamaica's men's 4x100 relay squad to withdraw from the World Relays in Botswana. It's understood the sprint relay bronze medalist from the 2023 Budapest World Championships sustained an injury on Monday. Forde had clocked 10.12 seconds last week Saturday at the Pure Athletics Spring Invitational Meet in Claremont, Florida. Forde's withdrawal follows those of reigning world 100-meter champion Oblique Seville and world and Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson. The remaining members of the men's sprint relay squad are Akeem Blake, Rohan Watson, Kadrian Golson, Adrian Carr, Rashid Foster and O'Dane McPherson. Meanwhile, members of the team started arriving in Botswana on Wednesday.